what I have here is a 12-inch body wave wig. The knots are slightly bleached, and I really don't like bleaching knots. But if you want to bleach the knots more, you can. But this is good enough for me, honestly. Y'all stay tuned. And like I said, the knots are just slightly bleached, just slightly. But it's good enough for me. If you want to bleach you guys, it's knots, you can. I'm just going to tell you something really quick. The hair is not like invincible or anything. The hair is just attached to this net, which is the lace. And when you bleach your knots, it tends to make your wig not last as long as it could and as long as it should. So when you do bleach your knots, try not to leave the bleach on so long, because what you're gonna do is you're gonna over bleach them, you're gonna over process them, they're gonna become very weak. But it's just my opinion. But just stay tuned. And I'm just loving this wig already. Like, I love it. I love short hair so much. Oh my gosh. This is just so freaking cute, for real, for real. But this is 150% density. This is really, really nice. I cannot wait to fix this wig on up, baby. Okay. This is the makeup that I'm using today on my face and on my cap. This is Maybelline Fit Me. Someone asked me on one of my other videos, why don't I cut the cap off? If you're indecisive like me, or if you are just indecisive like me and you change your hair like every 3 days or something like that, I really don't recommend that you continue to mold your cap down, cut the cap off, take it out, wash it, just because it slows down the process. And besides that, you're weakening up your hair, constantly doing stuff to it. So when you take your wig off, you honestly just have to clean the glue off, put a new cap, and just keep repeating that same process instead of molding your cap down, sitting under the dryer, putting heat and all of that stuff on your hair every 3 days. Like, that's not really healthy. But I'm gonna just show y'all my edges or whatever, just to let y'all know that the edges is here, okay? Hunty, they is here. And if you keep molding your cap down every 3 days, every 5 days, every day, baby, you ain't gonna have none, okay? See, I still got my edges. So if you want to keep your edges, and if you change your hair every 3 days like IAmErickaJ, don't mold that cap down. all done. I hope you enjoyed this video, but really quickly, I'm going to show you how to define your part. This is just some liquid foundation that's a lighter version of my actual skin tone, and you're just going to get an angled brush and smooth it down your hairline or where your part would be. And that's all. Thank you for tuning in. See you next time.